Hello friends of the textile industry. I am Manjeet Singh Bakshi from MSBC, a textile industry colleague with 33 years of experience in the vibrant sector. Today I am here to talk about a game changer for this industry in 2025. The proposed quality control orders or QCOs set to cover over 40 products including textiles. As the Government of India pushes for quality to compete globally, what does this mean for our business operation and supply chains? Let's dive in with my humble perspective. Let's clarify what QCOs are. Issued by various ministries in consultation with the Bureau of Indian Standards, QCOs mandate that certain products meet strict quality benchmarks. For textiles, this includes raw materials like cotton, polyester, and viscose, as well as finished goods. The goal: to ensure top-notch products for both Indian and global consumers, boosting our reputation worldwide. But as we will see, this noble aim comes with its own set of challenges. Now let's talk business operations. QCOs will push us toward excellence, but they will also reshape how we work. Here's how. Higher compliance costs. To meet BIS standards, manufacturers must invest in testing equipment, staff training, and certification processes. For small and medium enterprises, our industry's backbone, this can strain budgets. I have seen mills thrive by adapting, but many will need government support like subsidies or extended compliance timelines. As we saw with medical textile, QCOs extended to April 2025 for SMEs. Production delays. So BIS certification requires overseas suppliers to get their facilities inspected. With 50,000 to 60,000 tons of viscose and 90,000 tons of polyester fiber imported annually, delays in certifying foreign suppliers could halt production. I recall similar hiccups when QCOs were introduced for fibers in 2023. Mills had to scramble for BIS approved suppliers. Shift to quality focus. On the bright side, QCOs will force us to prioritize quality over cost. This aligns with global trends. Consumers, especially Gen Z, demand premium sustainable fabrics. My years in the industry tell me that brands investing in quality now will win big in markets like the EU and the US, where India's textile exports are. Let's explore supply chains, the lifetime of our industry. QCOs will both disrupt and strengthen them. Build stronger ties with BIS approved suppliers now. Push for sustainability and traceability. QCOs align with global calls for sustainable supply chains. By enforcing standards like Ecotex or Fair Trade, they will encourage eco-friendly materials like organic cotton or recycled polyesters. Blockchain-based tracking, already gaining traction, will ensure transparency from farm to fashion. This is our chance to lead as a sustainable textile hub. So, what's the path ahead? QCOs are a double-edged sword, challenging yet transformative. So here are my humble suggestions. Government should support and extend compliance deadlines and offer financial aid for MSMEs to ease the transition. Industry should collaborate, work with BIS to streamline certification for specialty fibers, ensuring niche products stay accessible. Adoption of technology, embracing AI and IoT for real-time quality checks and supply chain transparency. There should be upgradation of skill, train our workforce to meet global standards, as our 45 million strong textile workforce is our greatest asset. Until next time, stay quality driven. Thank you.